Are you curious about how companies and brands make their own logo? Because in this video, we will teach you just that. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create logo in Canva. So, first things first, what you want to do is head on to a brand new page. What you are going to search up for this time is Canva. Here in Canva, you can edit and create a lot of things, from artwork to video editing, posters, icons, and many more. So, to continue, just log in into your account or sign up if you don't have one. And once done, you should be greeted by the Canva's main page. In here, you can see the variety of selections of things that you can do. But what we will be doing is to press this search bar and look up for logos. Doing that will bring you to a new page, and in this new page, you will see all of the available templates for this specific portion. However, if you want to start from scratch, all you have to do is to press Create Blank. So, now what we are going to be doing is to select an example right here. Now, you can see that we are now in the page where we can edit, design, and customize our logo. So, you can see in the left side of your screen some choices for customizations. In Design, here you can select pre-made designs which you can further customize and add your own branding. Next is Elements. These are where you can get stickers, photos, shapes, and other things that you will need for your edits. Then, Uploads. In here, you can upload your own files, like your photos, your own graphics, your own elements. Next is in Text. This is where you can add text to your logo. This comes with so much fonts to help you and so many font colors as well, further to customize your design. On Draw, this is a drawing tool if you want to draw something on your design. And lastly, Projects. Here are where you can find all the projects that you have made in the past. So, what you want to do now is start customizing your own logo. Just apply and use all of the tools that we have discussed earlier. Add whatever color you like, add whatever text, whatever font, and even elements and graphics that will present any of your brandings. Again, when customizing, we can utilize the tools that I have discussed earlier. By combining tools and adding word art, we can create a beautiful logo like this one. And now that we are done customizing, we can now proceed to finalize our design. When you think you are done, you can now proceed by pressing the Share button right over here. And when you have done that, you can press Download right here and change the format of your file, for example, JPG or PNG. Okay, just download the file and wait for it to finish. And you're done. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make money with Canva. Mali. Patanggal na lang nun. And that's it. You can now create logo in Canva. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.